Hey, smoothie lovers! It's Rhea, and today we're reviewing smoothies. Something that's not only delicious, but also super trendy. Okay, first things first. Why are smoothies so trending? Well, they're the perfect blend of convenience and nutrition. You get your fruits, veggies, and healthy fats all packed into one glass. Plus, they're customizable to suit your taste buds and dietary needs. Whether you're into protein-packed post-workout drinks or something to kickstart your day, smoothies have got you covered. Now let's get to the good stuff, smoothie recipes. I'm sharing 3 simple, tasty options that'll keep you coming back for more. So grab your blenders, because it's time to blend it up. Recipe 1, the Tropical Sunrise Smoothie. For this one, we're going straight to the tropics. Think pineapple, mango, and a splash of orange juice. It's like a mini vacation in a cup. Here's what you'll need. Half cup frozen pineapple, half cup frozen mango, half banana, and half cup orange juice. You can also use coconut water for an extra tropical twist. A handful of spinach for some green goodness. Trust me, you won't taste it. Blend it all together, and boom, you've got yourself a refreshing, energizing smoothie to start your day or recover after a workout. So bright, so tasty. Recipe 2, the protein-packed Powerhouse. Now, if you need something to fuel you through your morning meetings or post-gym session, this protein-packed smoothie is a must-try. Here's how you make it. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. I like vanilla or chocolate. 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter for that creamy texture and healthy fat. Half cup unsweetened almond milk or your milk of choice. A pinch of cinnamon. Trust me, it adds a kick. Blend everything together, and you'll have a smoothie that's packed with protein. Recipe 3, the Green Detox Smoothie. For those of you who love a good detox smoothie or want to sneak in some veggies, this green smoothie is your new best friend. Don't worry, it's still super tasty. Here's what you'll need. Half cup frozen pineapple or mango for sweetness, half banana, 1 handful of kale or spinach. You won't taste the greens, promise. Half cucumber for that refreshing vibe, 1 tablespoon chia seeds for some extra fiber, and 1 cup coconut water. Blend it all together for a smoothie that's light, hydrating, and packed with nutrients. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, and it tastes amazing. So there you have it. Whether you're after a tropical escape, a protein boost, or a green detox, there's something here for everyone. All right, foodies, what's your go-to smoothie flavor or ingredient? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Until next time, keep blending and stay healthy.